Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by loading your XY or raw XRD file into your analysis tool. Start with calibration, adjust the zero offset and subtract background so peaks stand out. Once done, remove obvious noise spikes and normalize intensity. This lets you compare scans reliably. Make sure to record scan step size and detector type because they affect peak width and intensity. From here, you are ready to run a first peak search and see where the main reflections appear. Do that now. You now run a peak search with a sensible threshold and minimum width. This prevents false positives. Once peaks are found, measure each peak's 2θ position, FWHM, and relative intensity. These values reveal phase identity and crystallite size. Then convert 2θ to despacing and compare to reference patterns or feed data into indexing software to assign Miller indices. Make sure to check systematic absences and symmetry constraints because they confirm or reject candidate space groups. You finish by refining the structure. Run profile fitting or a Rietveld refinement to optimize lattice parameters, phase fractions, and atomic positions. Once done, analyze peak broadening to estimate crystallite size and microstrain using Schurer or Warren models, and record fit residuals and uncertainties. Make sure to validate results against multiple reflections. If fits fail, check background modeling and peak overlaps first. Fixing those usually resolves most issues and lets you rerun a stable refinement for a final report.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.